Jude Bellingham, your favorite midfielder? Can't miss one moment of his 2024-25 campaign with Real Madrid? Here's the best way to watch every one of his fixtures. 1. Choose a VPN service. I recommend ExpressVPN for its price, reliability, and speed. 2. Download the VPN app on your device and install. 3. Connect to a server. Open the VPN app and connect to a server in the country where the streaming service is available. For example, connect to a US server to access ESPN+. 4. Subscribe to a streaming service, for example, ESPN+. 5. Log into the streaming service and start watching the matches live. Congratulations. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. And don't miss a moment of the 2024-25 season starring your favorite player.